Hello, I am Alec. I'm a consultant, and I love to show people how to operate their constitutions. Okay, so we're gonna have some fun. I'm coming up off the bench, and I wanna show the people some cool words and some cool questions. Okay, because I was listening to a Supreme Court case, and it just set me off because I did not know that there were so many people that were being harmed by our policy officers. Okay, so check this out. I'm gonna show you some cool questions to see and to think about and ask yourself these questions right here. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the scene. Just imagine, if I'm wandering around in the land and I'm driving around in my automobile, and all of a sudden some lights flash, and then I'm seeing that the police officer wants to pull me over, right? So I'm gonna pull over my car, right? And then I'm gonna have my skit. My skit's gonna be ready because I just love to test, man. So it's fun. This is just me talking and spitballing. It's fun to test law enforcers with the law. Okay, I love testing people with the law, and especially the people that have sworn an oath to support and defend the constitutions. Okay, now check this out. So if I get pulled over by the police, I'm gonna have this one in my back pocket, and I'm gonna give this one out like a ticket. Okay, so check this out. I'm gonna say, Mr. Law Enforcer, are the people by nature free and independent? All right, so this is what I want the law enforcers to answer. I'm going to say, Mr. Law Enforcer, do the people have a right to property, right? That's another fun question. I'm going to ask them this question. Mr. Law Enforcer, do the people have a right to privacy, right? I'm asking the law enforcer this question because he's pulling me over, all right? I'm going to say, Mr. Law Enforcer, can legislative code deprive the people of their rights without due process of law? Okay, so I'm asking these questions to be very specific, all right? And then this is the last question that I want to ask to Mr. Law Enforcer. I'm going to say, Mr. Law Enforcer, do the people have a right to be secure in their persons against unreasonable seizures and searches? Okay, end scene, right? So that's just how I roll now. And these are the questions that I love asking my public servants, and all law enforcers or law enforcement falls under that jurisdiction. Okay, so if you're one of the people and you don't know how to operate your constitutions, you and we should hang out. Okay, so if you want to hang out and talk about some wonderful things in the private, our contact information is either going to be on the screen or it's going to be in the description, or you can go to our profile and then you can find our contact information there, and you can say, hey, I would like to hang out with you, and I would like to learn how to ask cool questions like that too to my law enforcers. Okay, if you want to do this and you want to hang out with us in the private and talk about some wonderful things, hit us up and let's see if you and I will be a good fit. Okay, my neighbor? All right, that's it, we're done. We're going to put this together, we're going to upload it, we're going to see how it flows. I'm going to go hang out with the Supreme Court and listen to the attorneys babble some more. I'll talk to you guys in the future. Remember, nobody's having more fun than us. Bye.